Hi, my name is Paulami and thank you so much for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you something little summery. Well, the spring and summer weather here in the Netherlands is really the beautiful time. Unfortunately, it has been incessantly raining and it just doesn't feel anymore like spring, but hey, it's gonna come. Summer is gonna come. There will be warm days coming up. So I got your back. I have recently written this book, The Bible van de Indiase Keuken. This is unfortunately in Dutch, but I'm doing this video in English, so you can try this recipe from whichever part of the world you are in. In this book, I have, where's the recipe? Oh yes, I have the Aloo Gobi recipe, which is done in the most traditional way in the Indian kitchen. But today I will show you a cheat trick of doing it in an oven baked tray. So this is oven baked aloo gobi. So let's get started with the recipe. So for this recipe, you of course need a really big head of a cauliflower, bloemkool, and the other vegetables that we would be using is aloo, that is aardappelen or potatoes, because it's aloo gobi. Gobi stands for cauliflower, and so aloo. I'm using a red onion and I'm using one tomato, but you can also use pomodoro or the cherry tomatoes if you do not have a regular tomato like this. And instead of using ravit green chilies, that is the small chili pepper, I'm using the big ones, the lombok or the spicer pepper, and it'll just not make the dish super spicy. Because it's an oven tray baked dish, I'm going to pop everything directly in the oven, in the tray of the oven, so that there's less amount of washing that's done. And if you are as lazy as I am, you're gonna love this dish. Trust me on that. So this dish is enough for almost 4 to 6 people, but the only thing is it does not have any saucy sauce, so which means there's no curry to it. But this is a really good side dish with your flatbreads, which is what I will be doing, or if you have some sort of fried rice or mint rice that you do and you want to take it along with you, then this is definitely a good side dish to go with. So there you go, you have this dish with a lot of cauliflower, a lot of potatoes and onion and tomatoes. So we have the vegetables ready, and now let's make our spice mix. So I have taken around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. This is store-bought, you can of course make it at home. 1 teaspoon of coriander, turmeric powder, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 big scoop or 1.5 scoop of coriander powder. Along with that, I'm going to add a saffordita, because this is cauliflower, and we all know that cauliflower can give you really nice return gift the next day or the next evening or the same evening. I've added some salt. I've added around 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, adding around 3 to 3.5 tablespoons of oil. What we would do to make the spice mix well with the vegetables, add 100 milliliters of water to it so that it mixes well. Sprinkle this all over our mixture. And now is the time to get dirty. Use your hands wear gloves or not. You're making it for your home, so it doesn't matter. But just go ahead and mix it, massage it really well, because you need to have the flavor of the spices reach every part of this vegetables. So you have to mix it really well. The oven tray is ready. This will go into the oven at 200 degrees centigrade for around 45 minutes. It is possible that your oven might need a longer time. You have to cook this or bake this till the cauliflower is super soft. This is how this looks. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay. It took me a little longer than 45 minutes. At the end of 45th minute, I did see if it was enough cooked, but I could feel some of the cauliflowers yet had to be super soft. So I popped it again in and let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Some last final touches left for this dish. That is, I will use a pinch of amchur, which is dry mango powder. And if you don't have amchur, it's okay to skip this and use lime juice instead. Amchur just makes the dish have another new depth of flavor, and it's just a really beautiful, summery flavor that an amchur brings, because it's dried mango powder, and who doesn't like mangoes in summer? So we will be garnishing it with some fresh coriander leaves. So there we go, some fresh coriander leaves. So here you go. I hope you all give this recipe a try, and if you do, don't forget to let me know in your comments below, or tag me on Instagram, on this handle, or on Facebook. Till I see you all again, keep spreading the love of spices. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So take care and have a great day.